But me and Daniel shouldn't have kissed at all. We should have kept our lips to ourselves. But that kiss wasn't for, but the kiss that I planted on Daniel, oh, it's an accident. It was. But I shouldn't have kissed him in the first place. I should have asked Matthew permission before I kissed him. But I shall now. I learned my lesson. I can't be kissing other boys, especially behind Matthew's back. Now, so I should have asked him permission before I kissed Daniel, and I didn't do that. And when I first started Stepping Stones, we ended up having sex in the backyard, in the back area there are Stepping Stones. We shouldn't have had sex. I shouldn't have hid it from Matthew. And Daniel shouldn't have lied to Matthew. Daniel should have told him straight out what happened. Surprised that Daniel didn't tell Matthew that, and he didn't. And I told Daniel, he's friends with my boyfriend. He's buddies with my boyfriend, and I don't want him to wreck his friendship with Matthew because of what we did. But I don't want Daniel to ruin his friendship with Matthew because of all that. I don't want him to.